World Radio Day. Wiki mo nila sa matumayan na matakan ko mamoto ni sarong da tiko Happy World Radio Day. So pagka nandu barong arbarong tumingo erdoven karebu tipal ni walesi. Kito sa pagkayan rutuan ni wiki mo ni. Na ouch pa lang isyo na bito ko ni minakani Punches celebrating 90 years.
Good morning to the Ngonebuli Kalambu Primary School.
Right.
Mren.
Right.
Mustawa Jones Balengandi. Otina Losana Kinoa. And also Turin to my Sala. And not forgetting Asepang Gerengger Tambu and the family.
Right.
Babarutu Levuli of Fifi. O Meki. Ora usanda itu tu bulengango ora tu manasa ke ratu sebane ya junior.
Dormero liburi sisianga.
Ania iko motu. Abuli ni kuwa. Rosau tina itako. Ataka dini tito ngango uli Matei Road mai nausori. O sebane yang sini yango. Sa ndomenguti.
Naka boleh besar.
And also to Petero Tupidi.
Right.
This is a member of the people who are joining from the
Commonwealth.
Tambabale Tamba 21.
Oh, okay.
From Iragi.
From where?
From Iragi.
Yeah,
my Iraki.
Santina.
Mbure M8. Umbuka mekandabo na wai tambu menitasiri. O Rexa o motomoto menandi. Denford menamosi.
Right.
O Serea wai lebu istata kaunrobe ke irto na tamainrua. Ke tamaimbuna. Peter Tupid ke Lilimborabi from Wainonu. And the boys from the village. Peter Tupid, thank you very much.
And the boys. People too, they go to Iraq.
Yes, because of the government. We love the government. City Ben in the Lai, LT 7754, kay turara me boto ando bulme na katurang tao, o sabe, inawal. Kodi tu net, moko na ilili matcher matay siya kay tabua. O turang tao.
Boleh nak.
Happy World. Oh, sabah Happy World Radio Day tu mo ko ya.
Oh,
turang tahu may tabuli may tabu.
Oh, mata kali. Boleh
besar bito kali. Beke menina lubi biti sabat cuma be sebur burra di andra di mata binaka.
Here.
Where?
No. Happy World Radio Day with FM. Thank you.
Ayaw.
How are you this morning, Michael?
I'm very good because today we celebrate the World Radio Day. I look back to when I started and where I am today. I'm very lucky and fortunate enough to be part of the team. And I'm looking forward to spend a few more years before God's calling gonna come.
Buni mono rugby. Arto na lay vitamin na heavy sevens.
Right.
This week.
See you there.
See you there. Meet you there. This is from Paula na kalau miau ngo na turangan ni rewa.
Right.
Bagawati na sana buat turang ngombo so doka di ko tunga bi miau. Miau. Nimbo labi naka di
sana. Na tangi usi.
Irrigation. La salini kana salu.
Right.
Dong boleh naka. Sisar baka suka.
Right.
Happy World Radio Day bikin raw.
Dormo benak bikin kada.
You describe yourself of the radio?
First of all, it started way back in the school days, secondary school days.
Okay.
Boarding school in Ratu Kantabule School.
Okay.
Every Sunday or like after farm, when the boys are free,
right.
they usually play rock and roll outside the Mbure.
Oh, right.
Beside the Mbure.
Right. So
so the cut here in your forehead, that's a rock and roll?
No, this is from the grog.
Oh,
the grog session.
Samsung.
Yeah. So when the rock and roll is going,
yeah.
The what you call it? The commentary.
The Bowling Club.
Yeah, the commentary.
Yeah.
From the Katubalaka.
You.
Oh, the Katubalaka.
Right.
Those funny moments.
Yeah.
School.
Girl there?
No girl.
All right.
All the boys there.
All right. My.
Oh, this is not Ratuluke.
Right. My.
Ratuluke, a lot of girl.
Yeah, we are. My.
Yeah. Well, it started way back in RTS.
All right.
Doing commentary.
Right.
Every Saturday afternoon.
What's your name on that time?
Saya Graham Tunga.
Oh, Graham.
Graham was the
right. Commentator.
Yeah. Well-known name then, back then. And today as well,
Okay. From the start.
Start sana.
Okay.
Alam tu kena commentary, lagu batu tu kena biar deso, korang rong tu nangon ya.
Alright.
Batu kesongan ya dambul.
Jiklur bendem.
Membaletir.
Jiklur bendem nanti ubat tanga.
Membaletir nang gitu juga nak kabri singa.
Dena.
Seranga.
Okay. Antum?
Who?
Huh?
Yeah, myself too started here in 2017. I will always do the MC around back in the
days.
In the village. A lot of songo there. Myself always do the MC. And that's what people say, hey, apply. And then I apply, I came here and have some experience of MC. That's why I got myself here. Now, 7 years or more than 7 years. Working in the radio industry. And I'm very lucky and fortunate enough to have some senior player like Atu, and Tutua, Maria, Eferemi Mbamba, if you're tuning in this morning. And a lot of senior players who have passed the ball nicely to us, and we are still carrying it now.
Right.
And that's how it went until to date.
Right. Iwala ham kelas karo ya Mikael Ngalombula.
What?
Same college. Erwa Durwata bat kay Mika na 2017. In the college of the radio station. This is one college. There is one college outside. Farming college. School of college. Fisheries college. Different organization we are college. So we can call each other OB. Because of college.
All breakfast.
All what's wrong? From
how you started?
Okay, myself I used to do this as a funny untuk takap to mekan lasa.
Back in Ratuluke.
Oh, that time you know.
Girl?
Boo.
When the girls are around him, the fluent
up on top, sangai tumbu da kenga. Trying to confiscate somebody. So from there, we just make fun,
Right.
We doing drama like this. We used to. Like one day, there is a kona kanikun sini kona school liba. Kani school liba.
Baka nampenu.
Baka mapenu kor na generator. During one for student, we doing one drama in the school. Myself hide under the table and I used to do the radio using them. Like that, and people was wondering who's that? Who's that? I was doing for fun.
And who?
Him. From when I was in Lomaibuna, there's two fella used to help me in this because we used to joke around.
Hold on. So 1 year. Okay, which year was this?
This was
only 1 year to school. 1 year to school.
2012.
2012. The first term in Ratuluke. Second term, mid second term.
Second time Mika. First time Ratuluke. Second time Lomaibuna. Third time Ratuluke.
Selalu sila duru-duru. Alam mata na sa wibondo-bondo. Then from there, Kukusimeli now we're listening from Batu Korosia.
Right.
Kukusimeli ngo na darubo ni kana-kana. May Tunuloa. And also to Tumeli. Ratumeli Muakalo from Navutu.
Right.
Navuakede.
Right.
In Naitasiri. Bulmela ka OB. These two, we used to do the radio station.
Who's?
Them.
Under the table.
Under the table.
Oi.
So from there, from Ratuluke, and one day, one of my teacher at the time was Miss Raboka. Now Mrs. Ndokonivalu. Good morning, Mr. And Mrs. Ndokonivalu, Miss Arieta Raboka Ndokonivalu, and also to Master Manas Ndokonivalu. He prophesied.
Who?
She prophesied, that teacher.
Miss Ndokonivalu.
Miss Ndokonivalu, and she like this. Only this paragraph. I won't surprise to see you there.
Where?
But I don't know.
Hell.
Hell member.
Meet you in hell.
From there, then we continue. We continue. During like during Form 6. Like FCLC is coming. So people have to study. Like 12 midnight like that, people used to bow their head. Bow their head like this, and somebody call, hey. Warin pamala-mala. That time my name was Tupe Nanovo. In school.
So your name today will be Junior.
I was in my phone.
Junior Jabrowski.
So from there I was like that. Myself is Tupe.
Small Tupe.
We used to call, used to mention, this is from Bagarin Pamala-mala na VTFM 92.2 FM. It's 1 to 2. You have to. Then we're doing one topic that fit our funny topic. Then they call. Dono kan satu mentor ni sambol benaka. All the surrounding, all the college of study. Then we laughing. When you laughing, sambulan-bulan asa sikana sosobu. Then we continue with study. It's like that. Then after that we doing two in the village. Okay, we start. We 200.
Iya.
Baka may aruan ng bukin yang kona, aruan ng raw, ng bukin yang kon siya, bukin intalo.
Yeah.
Fire, baka dua.
Yeah.
When we had somebody silent,
Yeah.
that mean tightness is here.
Oh, iya.
Sawara.
Now.
Okay,
Yeah.
de, saan doon nakaloko.
Iya.
Brr!
Iya.
That time,
Parimon mala.
it not akuila nama Ali Kimbia. News.
Oi.
Sabu ko saranga news ya, nimbul menakan na ito kanin dari bengrabi Ali Kimbia na BTFM.
Ora na bu.
Sa rumbi saranga.
Iya. Warong tur boys.
Warongo.
Iya.
Ni kakatutu ngali kan sinsu tu nortonga bu.
Iya.
Tiga butal. I just make it fun like that, eh?
Yeah.
I don't know that one day I will be here. I just make it fun.
So the prophesy becomes sa manifest mai.
Iya.
Saya saranga.
And
Ya men din na prophecy ya.
Then from the-
the bina tak mistress.
yeah, madam binabalibu, I never know that your words will become
Iya. Truthful.
truthful, fruitful.
Iya.
And from
Money
there,
maker. Your words will be my money maker.
on the TikTok. Then from there we went to Nantongo.
Iya.
We went to Nantongo. We doing one video from there, but myself I was doing for just for fun, eh?
Iya, iya.
But for them, they was okay like sangay kamu beira, and for us gang, you know, we used to do it, eh?
Yeah.
So they took a phone, then they recorded.
Yeah.
From there, that's
And then
started.
the video was viral.
Oh, yeah, viral.
Yeah.
So this man was talking here from the bus to the radio.
Don't move that.
Everything is new. Everything is
Yeah. You
Yeah.
never know your path.
Right.
Balata na buno mure monte miss.
Right.
But sa chibi ko na tali din ako na. People maruta ito mena korre na long ni pain.
Second is show me.
Sen may longan ni pain.
Ano?
Kere. And na longan ni tete kito kili ubi boli.
Don't
Te ubi.
Don na 3 kota tam.
Sikilis dam
I
dam.
Sikilis dam.
Torsis dam dam.
Orange.
Orange eh?
Orange, that's from the military.
Oh, from
Oi.
the milk.
Yeah, from Chochi Tambunra.
College.
Ngona se duanga na kilo kena bimbio de.
Doon na kilongor na suka. Baka lolo.
Kasama yung muna kisar to.
Yeah.
Amay muna chingo sa
From there, coming single now is, is a family there.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
a family.
This is
man.
you know like it's
He's got 3 kids now.
Yeah.
the radio.
That's because
the
of
power
radio.
the radio.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
radio.
a-
Thank you very much, radio. The name Demesi only then was from the village.
Right.
Now it's taken to the Fiji.
Right.
Thank you to everybody. Without you,
Yeah.
without us in this morning,
That's
Yeah.
that's how I met your mother.
huh? And everybody is here.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Without the radio,
Yeah.
there's so much experience. We meet famous people.
Right.
We
Went
go
to places.
go to places.
They never-
Yeah.
Don't know about that.
Thank you.
What cuma bila niya,
Yeah.
the message video was virus.
Ada mo ngora COVID. Na COVID. We love you all
Right.
and have a good day.
Right.
If you are willing, you just not doing anything from there,
Yeah.
you can come forward.
Please, 10 o'clock this morning, we'll start with our celebration at 231
Right.
Wyman Road, Suba. There'll be sweets provided today,
Right.
as well as our
Refreshment.
BTFM singing ringi crew.
Right.
Rabi ko maru tagi tigo yan singa binaka ni kuha.
Yeah.
Wala may tama to the selfie. We say
Right.
bulo binaka.
Yeah.
We'll welcome you inside the studio if
Right.
you want to say hello to the
Okay.
people back in the village.
If you can talk,
Yeah.
Yeah.
just come today
Yeah.
and say well wishes to your Valentine tomorrow.
Dono mo binaka.
That's truth.
Ni biar ko binte mes. Pero mo dikwa tanay tamba.
Huh?
Ha?
Kung na itama, may tarong may vale. Panin binakang ko na BTFM.
Who?
Ha?
Na wala mo kami na sabi chumay na mataka di kuha TikTok account ngo o Heartbeat do yan rabina na turanga totoka na railesu sereman Merlita yan rabina ka batalaki na bay Mac Demesi atu Mika do yan rabina ka stay low matagali atu nimbulo binaka
Anra.
and car yo na wala sa sabi tumay Mac wano ni binaka tuyani ndeme stay low ndeme kere serbe batay man may low toka
Yeah.
serra buki baka bimbinga binon ni toka no wet sa nuwang galiba
Anra.
kalau ngata na mo ni bito kan happy World Radio Day o ifengo be kemundo o kumpuna bon walango may walu bay God bless bina balim sara na sar tumay and a VTFM TikTok account rongo da double tap mana double tap takalaka and matake ni kuha
Wani biraka kito mikito sadaba.
Right.
Nangay so tale na mataka ni mataka. Oh, niya kami ni kwanda utingan dali nga madiw.
yeah
Sa muso mo law na heavy 7 si singatoka.
pano ni binaka ten dems
Right.
mara nambula
Naka.
go one piece come on piece
Come 3 piece.
Dari bising ko tarusisi. Like